Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is what it looks like for March 2024. And that's the front, that's the back. And then this is the inside. And then so for this month's what's it called? March theme. Sorry, kind of had a brain freeze. Is rewrite the rules, wear too much blush, make your first move, get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and a nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. So this is what it looks like. The card that you get, and then inside the moment you have been waiting for. So these are your products that they list inside with all the information about them. And then this is what it looks like in the back. So mark your calendars for 3/25 to 3/27. Make your April Glam Bag product choice. 4/15 to 4/28, April's mega drop shop is coming in hot. Score savings up to 80%. And they also have the puffy mystery bag. So starting 3/11, these limited edition puffer bags housing 5 surprise beauty items are sure to go fast. So mark your cals and don't miss it. So there you have it. So inside my Ipsy Glam Bag, I have the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Collection Clean Luxury Radiant Polish for hand and body. So this is what it looks like. And this is the back. So I'm gonna try all of these products and let you know if they're okay for super sensitive skin. It has some scent to it. Can't really tell what's the scent to it. Oh, it has my nail polish on it. Like a little bit, like when you flick on like a piece of paper. Oh, it has this weird, like this is what it looks like. Like, it's kind of like exfoliant. I don't really see how this is hydrating. It's like really dry. It's really dry. It has like this beadings, like this kind of like sand texture coming out of it. That's kind of weird. But yeah. So that is okay, I guess. Not my cup of tea, but okay. I'll try that again, I guess. This is a deluxe sample size. The MSRP of full-size version of this product, which is 120 grams, is $48, but this doesn't tell me how much this is. Oh, 20 grams or 0.7 ounces. So yeah. So my next product is the Precisely My Brow Wax. This is what it looks like. That's the front. And that's the back. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Oops, sorry. That's what it looks like. This is in shade number 4, Warm Deep Brown. Let's see if it actually fits. I will let you know my take on this. Wow, this is really tiny. So this is what it looks like. And then, oh, okay, so this is your applicator. But yeah, it's really tiny. I don't know how many uses you can get, like, in order to try this. I don't know how many uses you can get out of this before you be like, oh, I want to buy it. So the full size, so that's a deluxe sample size. You get more for this than you do for this, but the MSRP of full size version of this product is 0.17 ounces, which is $27, which it retails for $27. This one is 0.05 ounces or 1.5 grams. So the next one, which is I chose, is the Bogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask for curly hair. I like hair masks. So this is one for 1 ounce or 30 ml. So this is what it looks like. And it does have a good, like, it smells really good, but I can't really, it kind of does smell floral a little bit. It smells good. So the full size cost $39, which is 8 ounces. So this is, I'll let you know what I think of that. And then my next product that I got is the Wing Me Cosmetics Mega Blending Brush number 15. So this is perfect for creating an all-over wash of color on your lids or definition to your crease. This brush is a must-have in your collection. The fluffy soft bristles blend shadows evenly and effortlessly for a flawless finish every time. Tip: use a back and forth motions to blend eyeshadow into your crease. So this is what it looks like. And the brand is Wig Me. Oh, it's nice and soft. But that is what it is. And that is Lush. It is nice and soft. But I don't know. And then last but not least, the brush retails for $24. And then the that's full size. And then the Almond Beauty Lip Liner, So Seductive, is $18 full size, which is, this costs $18. Let me try to get this open. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is by Almond Beauty and shade So Seductive. So this is what it looks like. If it picks up on it. Oh, putting it upside down. Oops, sorry. That's what it looks like. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's a little twisty thing. And that's what it looks like. And then that's what it looks like. That's the color that comes out. So yeah, it's nice and like it glides on very easily. I'll let you know what I think about these products and if it's compatible with sensitive skin. Because thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you think. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.